Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And in today's video, we'll be picking the $50 Amazon giveaway winners. And for those who don't know, I'm just going to give a 10-second quick rundown. A few days I posted a video where I was doing a giveaway, $50 worth of Amazon gift cards as a celebration for 5,000 subscribers on the channel. And I really do appreciate you guys' support with the comments, the likes on the channel. They really do make my day. So just to give back to the community and to my amazing subscribers, I decided to do a giveaway of $50 worth of Amazon gift cards, which are going to be given away as two $25 gift cards to two different people who win the giveaway. And by the amount of comments that we got like 85 comments. You have a really much better chance than winning the lottery of around 2-point-something% chance of you winning. So why don't we just get into it? So as you can see right here, I went onto a website that chooses random comments from YouTube videos. And right here, I added extra entries for the people who entered the giveaway on a video before that, where I mentioned it near the end. And I said in my giveaway video that for those people who did comment giveaway, I will give them an extra entry. So that's what I did. These are two people that come to giveaway on the previous video. So what we're going to go ahead and do is choose the winners. But before I do that, I'm going to let you guys know what you need to do once you win. So if you do win the giveaway, all you have to do is take a screenshot of your account and your comment. Basically take a screenshot of so I can see that your profile pic is the same as the actual comments and your name is the same as the comments where you commented giveaway and you won. Take a screenshot of that and then DM me on Instagram at casper.trader. Again, that's casper.trader on Instagram. It's an old account I made like a really long time for my YouTube channel, but I decided I didn't post so long on that, but it's a great way to communicate with you guys. So what you're going to do is take that screenshot and basically just comment giveaway in my DMs, and I'll get right back to you guys. And I just need that screenshot to verify that the winner is actually the person who won. So yeah, let's just get started choosing the winners. So starting off with the first winner, we have Robert Almares. So Robert Almares, since you won the giveaway, just DM me at casper.trader. Take a screenshot of your comment so I can also see your account. So basically your whole phone or your whole computer, so I can see your account, and just DM me giveaway on my Instagram account. So now choosing the second giveaway winner for another $25 of an Amazon gift card, and we have the winner is Kevin Acevedo. Sorry if I pronounced the name wrong, but you are the winner. Boom, boom, boom. So we have two $25 gift card winners for Amazon today, so that's awesome. A really good chance of winning because you guys had an over 2% chance of winning of the giveaway. So that's awesome. So if you guys won, make sure to DM me at casper.trader and I'll give you guys your prizes. So thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.